So what the heck is this thing on the front of my Winnebago Travato? A snow plow without a blade? Maybe it's a decorative element. Maybe it's a traction device. Maybe it's something to keep the deer from crushing my engine. Stay tuned, because today I tell you 3 reasons why I installed this brush guard and how you can get one too for your Travato. Stay tuned, let's go. Thanks for tuning in today. Really appreciate that. My name is Scott. I am your host. Welcome to Go Small, Live Large, a YouTube channel dedicated to sharing with you the learnings from the road in an RV, in particular a Class B camper van RV. I've been full-time in my 2019 Winnebago Travato since February 2019. About 30 states, about 40,000 miles in this 21-foot camper van. And that's what we do here at Go Small, Live Large. Collectively learn, share, and you decide if this is right for you. Today, I want to share with you my story of why I installed this brush guard on my Travato. And I have to give a huge, huge, huge shout out to my Go Small, Live Large viewer and awesome gal, Vicky, for steering me toward this particular piece of hardware and where she got it installed. Without her, this would not be a great success story that it was. So let me tell you 3 reasons why I installed it. And then at the end, I'm going to share with you where to get one and where to get it installed, so you can have, bugs. So you can have one of these on your Class B RV Travato in particular, should you so decide. There's 3 reasons why I got this installed on my rig. Number 1 reason was aesthetics. While it certainly will help protect against some damage, it's mostly for looks. I'll be honest with you, in my opinion, it really helps toughen up the look and make the rig look more rugged, with the van wrap in particular. And that was the number 1 reason why I got the brush guard on my Travato. The second reason is I did want some degree of protection from a deer strike or hitting something on the road. I'm not sure about you, but for as many miles as I travel, I see a lot of dead carcasses on the side of the road. And I just thank God that did not hit my rig at 70 miles an hour without some degree of protection. So reason number 2 is some degree of protection from striking an animal at highway speeds. It might end up in my windshield, but it's not going to crush my engine, probably, and that's a good thing. Third reason I installed this was because it weighs about 100 and some pounds, it adds just a little bit of traction to the front end. As you probably know, the Winnebago Travato is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis, which is front wheel drive, so it gives just a little bit more traction, a little bit more bite from the front end where all the action happens anyway. So 3 reasons: aesthetics, some degree of protection from deer strike, and traction. So should you want one of these for yourself, check out this information around the information on where I bought this. I actually bought from Walmart, of all things. Again, thank you, viewer Vicky, for tuning me in on this. Comes out of California. It's about $300 for this piece of hardware and about another $300 to have it installed. And watch this little vignette as the folks in Alpharetta, Georgia install this bad boy onto the rig, and then we'll get right back to it at the end.
You and I, we're trouble in sight. Beating hearts don't lie. An empty page, a story to write. I'm in love, you're divine, and it's all in our signs. We're going away. Get your bag, check the tag. Decision is made. Lock your door, need no more. It's already paid. Cancel your mail for a while. It's a journey for life, and I'm your ride. Hang on. We belong down.
They even have a customer lounge. How cool is that? With pretty good Wi-Fi. Yeah, just super pleased how this turned out. Really nice job. It just really kind of completes the look. What do you guys think? Now she can play with the big boys like this guy. Holy cow. Look at that monster. How about this white one? Yeah, these guys do all kinds of crazy things to rigs. This is the son. Apparently it's a family-owned business, 21 years. And if you're looking to do this modification, you're in the Southeast, I would definitely go hit these guys up. They really did a great job. I shipped the part in, got here yesterday, and then installed this morning. And now we're off to go do a business as usual. Looking way better. Way to go, Southern Off-Road Specialist. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed that. A little bit of the why I installed the brush guard, how to get it, and where to go get it installed. If you're not in the greater Atlanta area, what I would recommend doing is searching through Google and off-road outfitters so that you can find somebody in your area. Anybody that's off-roading Jeeps, big pickups with big light bars, big tires, big brush guards, big lighting systems, that's probably going to be a successful resource for you to have this big boy installed. Hey, if you're getting something out of this, I sure appreciate a thumb up. That helps me know that you liked it. It helps YouTube know that you liked it, and it helps other people find the channel as well. And if you haven't subscribed, if you're into the van life, RV lifestyle, Class Bs in particular, if you like to go cool places, meet some cool people, that's what we're about here. Learn, share, you decide what's right for you. Sure appreciate a thumb up. Comment below. Would you do something like this to your rig? Would you spend $600 to have one of these bad boys installed? Let me know. I'd love to know. And of course, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. And my last tip for you is, like I did with the off-roaders in Alpharetta, Georgia, is I purchased this on Walmart online. I had it shipped to their location. I called them up, scheduled the installation, and they were super helpful. And I was in and out in less than 3 hours. They were super accommodating to me. And that's what I would recommend, is buy this, have it shipped to the place to install nearest you, and then you just have a while you wait service. And because I had the cat in the rig again, I got some same day instant service, which is awesome. So a big shout out to those folks at Southwest Off-Roaders. Southeast, I keep saying Southwest. Southeast Off-Roaders, really appreciate those guys. And this kind of completes the look of Lily from an exterior standpoint. I think she looks amazing, way different than a typical Travato off the factory line. What do you think? Lily, she's kind of tough, right? That's the way I like it. So again, thanks for tuning in today. I really appreciate that. We'll see you later. More mods to my van. Yeah, she got a lift. Well, not my ride. My ride, no lift. Did get a new brush guard though. Look at this. Is that hot looking or what? Toughens her up even more. What do you think?